please subscribe. Please.
To the hardest freaking part, lashes. Oh my goodness, you would not believe how long it took me to get this one on, and it's not even on very good. And I took off like half of my eye makeup, kept getting glue on my fingers. I don't know how people do this every day. All right, let's just do the mascara. On the lower lashes, I'm gonna use BADgal Bangs. And in an attempt to get the falsies that are stabbing me to blend in with my real lashes, I'm going to use some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I feel like they make my eyes look really wonky. Now, I kind of look like a vampire, which nothing wrong with that. It would be cool to be a vampire. I'm going to take the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring and bronzing. Hey, by the way, my hair's black. What was that laugh?
My hair is black.
Jean-Michel Basquiat face palette. Basquiat. First, I'm going to bronze with this color Jawbone. And to go with the purple theme, I'm going to use this blush in the shade NoHo. Bulbous to crooked. My eyes are burning. I don't know if it's the eyeliner or the Glazen eye gloss, but my eyes are burning. Pinkity drinkity. Oh, I'm making such a big mess. Does anyone else have like these tiny little hairs like behind their neck that are just so unruly? Like, I have really long hair, but the hair behind my neck, they're like all broken and they just like wrap around my neck. They don't go up into ponytails. I feel like I've always had that problem my whole life. Now for highlight, you guessed it, back to the Anastasia Beverlyhills Aurora Glow Kit in the shade Spectra, because it's purple, purple, purple. I really wish this had a mirror. I think all palettes need to have mirrors. Wouldn't that be nice? You know, because I'm just like, I don't know. I think I'm doing it right. Yes. Anastasia, show me the way. Show me the way. Okay, I need to look at the mirror. I'm sorry if I keep shaking the camera. Whoo! I got a lot of product on my face. That is beautiful. My eyes, they burn so bad, you have no idea. I didn't blend in that nose contour. People gonna think I'm a brown noser. shade Amethyst. So I will line my lips because they don't have a very good line. And I'm not good at lining them anyway. I might try Run the World, this light purple. Ew. This smells like a pool store. I think this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, if you watched it. Yeah, maybe I will do monochromatic, all of the colors of the rainbow. Yeah, I'll work backwards since this one was purple. It's different from what I would normally do. I like it. Lots of lots of purple. Well, do me a favor and please subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe. Please, and go tell your mothers to subscribe, and your brothers, and your fathers, and your sisters, and your cousins, and your dogs. Cats too. But thank you. Enjoy your day, and see you later. Bye.